Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free sets and Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Update. Okay, finally the Fall Harvest Update has been released in Grow Garden 2. And first, you're going to go to your mailbox or go to the Explorer NPC. And then you're going to teleport to the Fall Harvest world. I'm already here. And if you want to get free seeds, I would to recommend you to purchase this pet, the turkey, and it cost 100k shekels if I'm not mistaken. Wait, sorry, it's not shekels, but it's maple leaves. It cost 100k maple leaves, and this is the ability of the turkey, guys. Strut around your garden and pegs the ground to dig up a random seed. So basically, it can give you the random seed like this, and you're going to pick them. So if you want to get free seeds in your garden, make sure that you have this pet, the turkey. The more turkey you have, the more seeds you'll get from your garden. And these seeds are random. And if you're lucky, maybe this turkey can drop rare seed. Okay, I got maple carrot. And yeah, just have the turkey to get more free seeds. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free sets in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest Event Update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!